GTI action. Nice. February, so I'm trying to get a little sick, but I don't feel sick. I'm just kind of stifled. That's okay. Everybody's got the flu right now, so I'll take a stuffy nose and throat over flu A. Block the middle lane. Throwing a little bit of salt, pushing a little bit of slush. Cool. All right. Go boys. Temperature is coming down a little bit. We're just a degree above freezing according to the car. We can get around the Subaru. That was way too fast. Oh well. Careful around this decel ramp. Yeah, good bit of traction. Just more worried about ice. I used to live out this way, and this is every time I work night shift at the time, so I come around this curve just hauling ass and then blast out of this curve right here. A little bit of slush on the road over here. Riders. Quite a few trucks parked for the weekend. Man, it's kind of poopy over here. More houses. I'm sure this will be houses at some point. Yep, I already see. Well, I see the realty sign at least. 44 acres, commercial, residential. Man, I'd like to find a parking lot. Just slide this bitch around a little bit. That one wouldn't be bad, but there's cars in it, so. We'll avoid that. Old T-Bird. G-body. Cool. I don't know if I'd call that an old T-Bird, but I mean it's old for years' sake. Old Petrucci's. Socks. And the best ice cream. Put all that crap on a Bronco and then it has factory 30-ish inch tires. God, I remember when that was just an apple orchard. Now it's just suburban hell. Wow. Alright, we'll calm down. Car says the speed limit through here is 40, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Parking lots, they're all too small here. They're covered in slush though. Country roads, tire and auto. Something about following a deleted 6.7 Power Stroke, just whew, eyes are burning. It's a nice Macan, old base Macan. Oh. Is the Popo up here? Yeah, yes he is. Huh. Well, the further we get back here, the more the roads are starting to degrade. That damn wrecked car right there. Hopefully that wasn't in the slush. A lot of snow on these vehicles too. I just had slush on mine, but I also live much further south than here. Not much further south, but 15 miles. Alright, there you go. I think that'll conclude the snowy drive. Y'all take care now.